Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to Habanero's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a green chili dipping sauce that can also be used as a marinade. Let's get right into it. I have all my green vegetables, green onion or scallion, fresh rosemary, parsley, and fresh thyme, green chili pepper, green bell peppers, Serano peppers, Habanero peppers, Poblano peppers, Aniseed, and I have my garlic, ginger, and shallots. You can use any onion of choice. To a blender, I'll add 1 cup of oil, and then I will add in my serrano pepper, green onion, and habanero pepper. I won't be able to blend everything at once, so I'll be gradually blending and adding the vegetables as I blend. Guys, just a reminder, this sauce is very spicy, so you can limit your habanero peppers or your serrano peppers to your preference or to your taste. So you don't certainly have to use the exact measurement or the exact amount that I used. To the blender again, I added another cup of oil, and then I'm blending the remaining of the vegetables. So that is the green peppers and my shallots and ginger. We are all done blending. I'll add it to the first batch and then give it a good mix. And allow it to fry on a medium flame for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring periodically. You want to stir this every 3 to 5 minutes. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. This is how my sauce looks 15 minutes later. At this point, I'll add in dry rosemary. This is optional. I'll add in my shrimp seasoning, and then I'll give it a stir. You can use any seasoning of choice. I'll cover it and allow it to simmer on low flame for about 10 minutes. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support. I appreciate you. God bless you. I added in a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt to your taste. I'll give it a good mix, cover it, and allow it to simmer just for about 5 minutes. And the sauce is ready. Please allow your sauce to cool down before putting it in the jar. You can keep it in any airtight container of choice. You can use this sauce as a dipping sauce or as a marinade. You can adjust the taste to your taste, the heat of the sauce to your taste. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. Please kindly subscribe and hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. And until I see you on my next video, please stay blessed and stay safe. Bye guys.